The Karnataka government has formed a 16-member welfare board to provide social security and other benefits to gig workers across the state. The board was notified on January 27th under the Karnataka Platform-Based Gig Workers Social Security and Welfare Act 2025. All app-based platforms, including ride-hailing and delivery companies, must now register with the board within 45 days. They must also submit details of their gig workers and pay a welfare fee of 1% to 1.5% on payouts made to workers. The money will be used for benefits such as health insurance, accident cover, and grievance redressal. Labour Minister Santosh Lad will serve as the ex officio president of the board. Government officials said the welfare fee will be collected every quarter and deposited into a dedicated welfare fund. A digital system will track payments and verify compliance by platforms. The board includes government officials, gig worker representatives, and aggregator nominees. The aim is to balance worker welfare with industry concerns as the law moves into the implementation phase. Gig worker unions welcomed the move, calling it a long-needed safety net for workers in the platform economy. Industry groups, however, flagged concerns over compliance cost, data reporting, and the lack of clarity on procedures. The law traces its origins to an ordinance issued in May 2025 following protest by gig workers across India over low pay and lack of social security. Karnataka is among a small group of states to enact such legislation. With registration deadlines approaching, attention now turns to how effectively the board can manage data, collect fees, and deliver benefits on the ground.